Snyder.
Oh, hell yeah! You metalheads are gathered around your speakers like a bunch of mullet-headed moths around a flashpot. So creepy. So creepy. This is Eastsider. The reservation is going to be a heavy metal onslaught of epic proportions. I got my middle finger on the go button with Dio, Cinderella, Judas Priest, and loads more. So it's time to go knuckles deep into the metal. Now, get in, sit down, shut up, and start banging. This is the House of Hair. Alright, you freaks, time to get down to business. Right off the bat, I'm handing the controls over to Grant in Combined Box, Wisconsin. Well, this is a 105.7 WAPL. I love that station. Here's what he says. Gee, I'm feeling the pain of losing Jimmy Bain. He was a true favorite and a major contributor to Rainbow Dio and others. His work on Dio's last line album is some of the best music I've heard. I'd like to hear Dio's We Rock to honor his memory.